Dear students, today we will study about the conversion of solid trituration potency in liquid dilution potency. Conversion of trituration in liquid potency. Dear student, we can convert 3C solid trituration in liquid dilution and 6X solid trituration in liquid dilution by jumping potency or fluxion potency. Means we can convert aurum metallicum, argentum metallicum, ferrum metallicum, cuprum metallicum in liquid potency after 6x or 3C solid trituration. 6x is equal to 3C. Condition of converting a trituration into liquid potency. Number 1. We can convert only 6x trituration under decimal scale. Second, we can convert only 3C trituration under centesimal scale. The principle of converting a trituration into liquid potency. One part of 3C or 6x trituration dissolved in 50 part of purified water and 50 part of ethyl alcohol. Then 10 downward strokes of uniform strength are applied. Dear student, process of conversion in centesimal scale from 3C trituration to 4C liquid dilution. For that, one part of 3C trituration is taken in a bottle, then 50 part of purified water is added. Hence, after stirring, 3C trituration is dissolved in purified water. Then 50 part of ethyl alcohol is added to it. The phial is then corked tightly and 10 downward strokes are given. Thus, 4C liquid potency is prepared. The process of conversion in decimal scale from 6x to 8x potency by jumping or fluxion potency. For that, one part of 6x trituration is taken in a bottle, then 50 part of purified water is added. Hence, after stirring, 6x trituration is dissolved in purified water. Then 50 part of ethyl alcohol is added to it. The phial is then corked tightly and 10 downward strokes are given. Thus, 8x liquid potency is prepared. Dear student, this is how we perform the process of strokes. The bottom of the phial is placed on the little finger of the right hand. The thumb of the same hand should be placed on the cork. The phial should be tightly held with other finger. Then 10 downward strokes are given to this phial on the palm of the left hand. Each stroke should end in a jerk. The hand enclosing the phial should go beyond the level of shoulder but not beyond the level of the upper limit of the pinna. Dear students, it is mandatory for the strokes to be forceful, successive. Each stroke ends in a jerk from uniform distance with uniform strength. Dear student, this is the step-by-step process of conversion of trituration into liquid potency in centesimal and decimal scale. I will keep it on the screen. You may go through it.